Hey guys, so this is the first time I'm on screen. This is another YouTube video, and today I have frozen some water with some surprises inside. If you guess them right, I don't know, you just get a applause and a shout out in the next video. So today, except I don't know how to check my, oh shoot, I was drinking Pepsi. So now, let me go get them. Oh, and by the way, 1 second. Okay, I'm back and I just got them out of the freezer. They look really well. And, well, oh, wait, what? Dang it. Some parts is still water, so I gotta leave these back in. I think this one's ready. This one's definitely not ready. Let me just freeze them for a little bit more time. Okay, I'm back. Just put them back in the freezer. And basically, we're just gonna do a review. Wondering where I got this?
Who's the old guy?
Casey's Pizza. Has an awesome vending machine and it's so cool. I spent like most of my tokens on there. Well, not exactly most of them, just some of them. Well, three batches of them. So here's the ring. It's pretty in gold. It's really pretty. It has these little scratches on them. They're my personal favorite. Dang it, stupid light. It's really cool, actually. So let's get started. I got nothing to show. Dang it. Why? Hold on, let me think of something. I'm back. I got this huge idea. I am going to smash marshmallows into this mortar. So, as you can see, this is something cool. I have no idea how to use this thing, but it's really cool. I've seen videos about it. It's like where these spices are grounded up. It's really cool. Oh, I got an idea. Let me add some pretty pebbles. And I have no idea where they are. Ah, there they are. So use this if you want to as a ASMR video. Really cool because it just makes a lot of noise. Oh, this part's like really light. This part's grayish. This part's really gray. It's really cool. This is a mortar. Okay, my mom told me about it. Sorry for the sudden darkness. It's like really cool. It's like where you ground up things, and I just want to ground up these Fruity Pebbles forever. So it just has a satisfying crunch to them. It's really, really cool. So basically, this whole video is based on just crunching things. Wonder how long it'll take until I get noticed by the world. And anyway, my videos are ad-free, so that means there won't be any ads in my videos. No ads. Isn't that exciting? When you're having a bad day and you hate ads and one pops up on your screen, if there are ads on my videos, tell me in the comments, which I don't know how to. And basically, this is a mixture. Fruity Pebble and marshmallow. Apparently I gotta add more Fruity Pebble. So I'm gonna be silent for like, I don't know, a few minutes. Just enjoy the silence while you can. Oh, and sorry for the background noises. Alright, I think it's done. I think the mixture is done. If you want to try this, just buy some Fruity Pebbles and small marshmallows. Small marshmallows. I have to play foot. Whoa. That is delicious. I'm still making more. They're delicious. That's so flippin' delicious. Whoops. Use this as, well, ASMR video, I don't know. Use this for anything. Tell your friends about this. Tell your friends about this, about my channel. So I am a new YouTuber, just started like 3 days ago. You can count my videos. Don't know how many I made. And please, no rude comments. Well, you can just put rude comments. I'll just make some interesting replies, but my mom says I cannot burn trash. But my mom says I can't burn trash. Nah. Also, sorry for the background noises, because that's just Mom and me watching some TV. This marshmallow mixture is delicious. You gotta try it. But I'm gonna clean this right when I'm done with it, so we can have another. So then I can use it for another time. Just comment if you want some more of this, because it's really, really satisfying. No. Oh, I forgot.
What's your milk?
Thanks.
Are any of these your plates?
One of them is. This one's mine.
Are you done with them?
No, not yet.
You know the cat will lick it if you eat it here.
Okay. That was just my mom. She's really nice. She's a nurse. Sometimes she loses her temper. Sometimes. Just a little bit. And Mom, today, well, last night, she made some really delicious Rice Krispie Kremes with just this mixture that I'm making. And it is delicious, so that's why I'm making this right now, because I want to taste it again. So it was so good. Alright, I'm going to start talking now.
Your buddy's mine.
A lot of people are walking in the room right now. Just Jamie and Mom. Dang it. Wait, it was this piece. Dang it. Despite the huge mess, I am gonna clean it up. Basically, this video was all about this mortar thing. We'll get with the MLPs tomorrow. And now, starting tomorrow, I'll make 2 videos per day. Jamie?
Yeah, man. What's that?
I'm recording right now. So, this video is all about the mortar. The pedestal and more thing. Bowl. So if you just want the recipe, there's no cooking involved. You just need small marshmallows and fruity pebbles. That's all you need. Fruity pebbles and marshmallow. The mixture is delicious. Mom actually made it, so I'm making it again. Well, I didn't help her. I was asleep by the time. So, sorry, but this video has come to an end. So, I'll see you in my next video. Starting now, I'll make another video right when I'm done with this. So, see you in the next video. Goodbye. Wait, look.